Hello and welcome my friend. We came back in another video. So if you are interested to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. By the way, also we put in every day 1 or 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin or the crypto world. So if you are interested, you can join us. And if you're watching us from the video down, you're going to find a red button. Click at it. It's going to become gray like that. Subscribe it. And next to it, you find that bell. You came to it and you turn it to all like that, and you're going to be notified every time when also you're putting a new video. So go ahead and do it. You done it, and please smash that like button to help us to put more content like this, my friend. So without further ado, let's go into start our lesson of today, my friend. Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction, my friend. We came back by another video, my friend, and today we try to develop our analysis more and more. So as you see, my friend, the Bitcoin here, it's still where it used to be. Nothing new happening, my friend. It just ranging down and up. Zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it, my friend, what it did here, give us yesterday that candle, the one that pin bar, and today the same thing, another pin bar here. That one, the daily candle, it hasn't finished. It's left for it 7 hours now. So you need to make a close attention, my friend, what's going to happen. Me, still with my view, is going to go till here, till that zone here. Then after that, we're going to see what's going to happen, because the Bitcoin is going to stay ranging for some time now, because the previous cycles, that what the Bitcoin done, when it fall down, it stay ranging down for some time. Then after that, it went go back up. I think we are going to go upward again till 2023, my friend. And today I bring you something else. We bring the DAXI or US dollar index to analyze it for you, plus the SP 500 or the best 500 stock companies in USA. It just you buy it. Me, I'm talking here about people they don't know nothing. People they know. You can skip that part. SP 500 is just the best 500 companies in USA, or in the stock market of USA. That companies depend on the sectors and those things, my friend. So let's go into analyze those things, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, my friend, in the DAXI, and in the DAXI, as you see it, my friend, what we have here, we are in an up and stronger trend, as you see it, my friend. You can come here, even here, you got a trend like that. You touch it here and here and here, and now here. Now, why me I told you it's going to drop, my friend, that one and the Bitcoin is going to go up, because if you see here, yes, also we are in a long trend, my friend, but if you see here that zone here, me I think when you touch it here, it's going to drop, and that's what it given us here, the price action. It give us there a candle, because I think that the right time for the US dollar to fall down, my friend. It need to give us here a W or something, but we need to make a close eye at that level here of 108.730, my friend. So you need to make a close attention at that level, my friend, in the US dollar. So if it's break it, that means it will go in upward. If it's not, that means we are going to go down. But the Fed, it doesn't help in us, my friend. Let me make it like that. The Fed is against all of us every time he want to hike. And why the Bitcoin fall down the last time? Because the Fed, he said, they are going to hike the interest rate in the September. So that way it fall down, my friend. Inflation is too high, so we don't know what's going to happen. But till now, as you see it, also here we're talking only about technical analysis, my friend. The DAXI or US dollar index, it's showing here a very stronger support in that level. And that candle, it's left for it 6 hours, 22 minutes. Then maybe it's going to drop till here, till that zone here, my friend. And after that, maybe we'll continue it. That if it doesn't give us here another high, my friend, than the previous one, because that one is the previous high. As you see it, it's been working like that. As you see it, if you bring it from here, high, so you are in a uptrend. But let's wait now what's going to happen, my friend, for the picture to be more clear. And that one, it will not change, my friend, unless if the inflation. Let me show you something very important here. As you see it, my friend, that the DAXI, It's working with inflation, my friend. As you see it when it peak here, everything together. So me, I got two levels, my friend. I got that one here at 108, the second one at 119. Yes, the inflation now it's peaking as you see it here. But till now we are not sure what's going to happen, my friend. Even that one here it peak. Then after that he went up. If you see it here down, here in that zone, he peaked up here. Then after that what he did, he went upward. So you need to be aware of those things, my friend. So that's it for the DAX here, my friend. Let's go in now to show you the SP 500. What is it there, or the stock market? What is it there? Here, my friend, in the stock market, as you see, what the SP 500 giving us here. If you make a close attention at that level here and that level here like that, what you see, my friend, is a wedge. So that one, my friend, you need to make a close attention at it. Where it's going to break? It's going to break up or down. And I don't think so it's going to bring down. Another thing here, as you see it, my friend, he came up till the 200 moving average, but he couldn't break it. Then he was going back down again. And here, at that level where we are now, we got a stronger supply and demand zone, my friend. Here in the SP, as you see it, it's been touching it and rejecting from it a lot of times. So now we are in it now here. So you need to make a close attention at that level, my friend. Maybe from that level we are going to go upward. That way, me I told you buy some Bitcoin, my friend, because of those things. So everything is too clear, my friend. So my friend, you need to make a close attention at that level, as I tell it to you here at the SP 500 here, or all the stock market traders. That the level you need to make a close attention at it. If it break it, it's going to go till here down, that level here. So you need to be aware of those things, my friend. Let's draw those levels for the when we came to the future. We found them there. So the first level we have is that one. It's been touched a lot of times. Let's make it only from here, like that. Let's lower it a little bit. So that the zone also we have, my friend. Another zone you have, is it that one here? As you see it, my friend, it's being touched here and here. And before it's breaking, it's being touched here a lot of times. So you need to make a close attention at that level, my friend. Another level, you got it, is here, down. That one, here, down. That one, my friend. So those ones, the levels of the SP 500, my friend. Yes, you have here a smaller one. But that one, I don't think so. It's going to bounce from there. Because if it's breaking for you now, we are going to go till here. Everything is too clear, my friend. Now, you got a major picture about the DAX, the SP 500, my friend, or the stock market. Let's going back now to the Bitcoin, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in Bitcoin, my friend, as you see it, also still here in that level, and that level here it's showing a rejection, and that candle now it's become green here. So I told you it's going to go till here, till that zone here. Then we're going to see what's going to happen, and I'm going to update you every time, my friend. If you are not subscriber, my friend, subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. You're going to receive everyday new videos, my friend, about Bitcoin and stock market technical analysis. We update you every day. We put 2 videos. So if you are interested, you can join us. So everything is too clear here, my friend. Let's see our indicators, what they say, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, nothing new here. We're still above that level here. And that level, by the way, sorry, let me show it to you. That level, my friend, as you see it, is being rejected for a lot of times here. And now we are above it. I think we are going to go till that long-term trend. That one will reject it to go down here. That one. And we are going to go back inside that one, my friend. Then we see if we are going to break down or no. So till now, the Bitcoin is going to run for a smaller ball run. But after that, we're going to see what's going to happen, my friend. As you see, also we're talking, and that one started moving up. So let's see when the daily candle finishes, my friend. I'm going to come back to you and update you what's going to happen. So that's it for the daily, my friend. Let's go now to the 4 hours to see what is it there. Here in the 4 hours, my friend, as you see it, nothing was changed. It's still here in that zone. The only thing, my friend, the volume here, it's increasing. As you see it, here and here. That's why me I told you it's going to run maybe till here, maybe till the 200 moving average, that one. And I showed you that one before, but let's do it again. I told you got here a channel, my friend, like that and like that, or a flag, or name it whatever you want. But now he tried to give you like a triangle as you see it, my friend, like that. If you bring in that one and that one here, try to give you like a small triangle, because if those lines, if you extend them, they will touch each other. So I think now it's waiting. If a candle came and break it up, that means we are going to go up. If a candle came and break it down, that means we are going to go down. So, but me personally, I think it's going to go till here. But as I tell it to you before, that zone here, still very stronger zone. Every time it's rejecting, and the down one here, it's still very stronger. So we don't know which one is going to hold, my friend, because for the price of Bitcoin to rise, it needs to break for us that high here. For it to fall down, it needs to break for us that low. But as I tell it to you, if you see down here, the buyers, they getting increasing, my friend. So we are going to go till here, or till that 200 moving average, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Let's see our indicators, what they say, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, it's trying now to go out from that oversold area. When it's going to go out, we are going to go till here, till the overbought area, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for today, my friend. See you in the daily candle. Finish it, my friend. Bye for now.